welcome back to Winder's Model Farms. Today we're just going to do a quick video of swapping the tires out on this S790 that we did a review on just a little bit ago. So first off, we're going to start off by using a hair dryer to heat the tires, and once you do that, you just heat it for a couple minutes and they pull off pretty easy. And then if you want to get the axle out of the other one, you can just heat it once it's already off the combine. But a hair dryer really makes this job a lot easier. The tires are off. These are the front tires, rear tires. I'm not going to use these. I'm just going to set them to the side. And what I will be putting on there is these 710/70 by 38. And I really like the detail on the inside of these, so that's what we're going to be putting on there. On the front, these are the rear tires. Can't remember the number on them, but that's what I'll be putting on the rear. After looking at this, I think I'm going to have to grind away a little in there because this just looks way too wide on the front for what I want. So I'm probably going to cut away a little bit there, maybe grind down some of the rim, because this would just be way too wide for what I'm looking for. First thing I did, I just cut off that little piece right here that's on that side, and I'll cut that off on this side just to save me a little bit so those duals aren't sticking out quite so far. So I got both of them cut off. There they are. So next thing I'm just going to do is just sand that smooth on each side. I went ahead and put the rear tires on. I was able to just use the same axle that originally came out of the rear tires. Got it sanded down. I'm going to try them out, and then if they're still too wide, cut some off the tire. So what I end up doing is I cut that little tab off and ground it down because I would like just a little more, make it easier on the ladder for me. So that's what I'm doing now. Got them both trimmed down, so now I need to make my axle, which I'm making out of 3/32 rod. I'm still haven't found what I would like to use for axles. Like, this is a little too flexible, like it will bend if you put a lot of pressure on it. So I'm still looking for something that's good, strong, but the right size to make an axle out of that won't bend. So if you know anything, just drop it in the comments below. I'd appreciate any help. I like how it's lined up. I feel like that's lined up with the rear tires pretty well. Next is trying to get this ladder on there. I couldn't get to the ladder with the duals on, so I ended up taking the cab off, screwing that on. I think it's gonna fit, so let's see. So here it is, all finished up. Got it all put back together. A quick recap of what we did take off this machine. We cut these off and cut these off the rims, and that was able to get it to fit nicely, and we were able to fit it all with that just stock ladder there, and it doesn't rub or anything, fits perfect. I got these online from Mini Truck and Tractor. They're 710/70 by 38 Firestones, and I just think they look great. And then I got some nice rear tires that are a little bit not quite as tall as the ones that came on it, but a little wider. I think it looks good. I did do a review of the combine when it was stock before we customized it, so go check that out on our channel. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Hope you have a great day.